Hey there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own YouTube channel. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or simply looking to share your passions with the world, creating a YouTube channel is a great way to get started. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Sign into YouTube and create your channel. First, you need to sign into your Google account and go to youtube.com/create_channel. From there, you'll be prompted to create a channel name and select a profile picture or logo. Be sure to choose a name and image that accurately reflect your brand or content. Step 2. Customize your channel. Once you've created your channel, it's time to customize it. You can add a channel description, banner image, and links to your website or social media accounts. This is also a great opportunity to create a branding strategy and ensure your channel has a cohesive look and feel. Step 3. Create your first video. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. Your first video should be an introduction to your channel and what viewers can expect from your content. Be sure to include a call to action at the end, asking viewers to subscribe to your channel. Step 4. Optimize your videos for SEO. To ensure your videos get found by your target audience, it's important to optimize them for search engines. This includes creating an attention-grabbing title, including relevant keywords in your video description and tags, and adding a custom thumbnail. Step 5. Promote your channel. Once you've uploaded your first video, it's time to start promoting your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and engage with your viewers by responding to comments and creating community content. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your very own YouTube channel. Remember, creating a successful channel takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.